Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to easily archive starred emails right from the Gmail app, so your inbox stays clean, but important messages are always a tap away. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Gmail app on your phone. The familiar envelope icon on your home screen is your gateway to a more organized inbox. Once the app launches, look to the top left corner for the menu icon. It's those three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon. Tap it, and a side menu will appear with different categories. From there, scroll down and tap on Starred. This section gathers all the emails you've marked with a star, usually the messages you want to keep track of or revisit later. Browse through your starred emails and find the one you want to archive. Maybe it's an old receipt you want to keep for reference, or a conversation that's finished but still important. To prepare it for archiving, press and hold your finger on the email. The message will be selected. Usually, it's highlighted or a checkmark appears. Now look at the top of your screen for the archive icon. This icon typically looks like a small box with a downward arrow. Tap it once. Instantly, your selected email disappears from the starred list and the inbox. But don't worry, it isn't deleted. It's safely moved to your all mail folder, so you can always search for it later if you need it. And that's all it takes. Just a few taps. Open the app, find your starred email, press and hold, then hit Archive. Archiving helps keep your inbox tidy and ensures your important, starred messages are always accessible. Out of sight, but never lost. Try it out for yourself and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient Gmail experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.